Hey, what's going on, family? Welcome to the channel. I am Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor. And on this channel, we talk about money, real estate, and the Carolinas. And today I have a house tour of a Douglas floor plan by Pulte Homes. Now, if you're not familiar with Pulte, they have different product lines. It's Pulte, it's Del Webb, and then Syntex. Pulte, in particular, this Parkside Crossing community is beautiful. It is over 800 homes. It has a park, it has a pool, walking trails, and you're centrally located in Steele Creek. Now, if you're not familiar with Steele Creek is in the top 5 highest appreciating parts of the Charlotte area. So go ahead, subscribe to this channel and search the videos because I talk about Steele Creek multiple times on this channel. And if you're not familiar with the area, go ahead and download my relocation guide where I walk you through different parts of Charlotte, the suburbs of Charlotte, the suburbs of Charlotte. I really go over the entire area, things to do, schools. I talk about a little bit of everything in this relocation guide. But right now, let's jump into this Douglas floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, just over 1,600 square feet. And pricing right now starts around $425, $430, depending on if it's a quick move in and the finishes they have. But what they're offering right now is 3% in closing costs, so you can buy down your interest rate. Right now, I believe that the standard interest rate is right around 7.1 or 7.05% for a 30-year fixed. If you use their incentive by using Pulte Mortgage and get 3% of the closing costs to buy down your rate, you can buy your rate down to, now every situation is a little different, but I've seen people buy their interest rate down to 5%, 5.5% for a 30-year fixed. And that will save you hundreds of dollars every single month in your mortgage payment. And that could be the difference between having your mortgage payment cost less than what you're paying in rent. Let's go inside and take a look at this home. Now, this home is not finished. It is in construction. So keep that in mind. I want you to see the structure, see the space, and get an idea. I want you to see what's available, what's being offered, so you can get in, because if I waited for a model home, chances are they still won't be the price they're at right now with these incentives. Let's go inside and take a look. Now, I am very excited to show you this Douglas floor plan. It is in Parkside Crossing. That's what we're going to take a look at right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath home, just over 1,600 square feet. Now, those of you who don't know me, I am Sir Ashley. I am a real estate agent in both North and South Carolina, and I've been in real estate over a decade as a real estate attorney, as a real estate investor, and a real estate agent in both North and South Carolina. And I've literally helped thousands of people move to or within the greater Charlotte area. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, reach out to me. I would love to hear from you. My contact information should be somewhere on the screen, but it's definitely in the description below. I look forward to hearing from you. Now, welcome back. Let's go inside this Douglas floor plan. Now, this home can be found in several communities, but pricing will differ depending on where you're at in the greater Charlotte area. This one, like I said, we're in Parkside Crossing, in Steele Creek, in Charlotte proper. When you come in, you have a little foyer area with the coat closet. Then it opens up to your modern open living. This is your living room. You have a little bar area, the kitchen area, small island, very modern color packages when it comes to cabinets, countertops, and flooring. This is your dining area in the kitchen. Let's take a look at the pantry. Now, it does come with an oven stove right here, just hasn't been put in yet. Stainless steel microwave. You see the tubway style backsplash. Granite or quartz countertops, depending on the floor plan and the color packages laid out. This is your half bathroom tucked away. Again, as I said, this is not a complete home. I wanted you to get the feel of the floor plan, the layout of this Douglas floor plan. Other areas where they're offering this floor plan is in Monroe, and I'll do a whole video on the Monroe community. It is going to be massive, similar to Parkside Crossing, just over 800 homes. Excellent opportunity. It's in Union County. You get Union County schools, but you're a little further out. Whereas here in Steele Creek, you're in Charlotte proper. You have access to all the shopping, the Carolina premium outlets. You have tons of grocery stores. You have Rivergate. And then you have quick access to Fort Mill as well. Everything and all the amenities Fort Mill, Rock Hill has to offer. It's looking up and seeing the different lighting packages. It does come pre-wired with pendant lighting in the kitchen, but then also in the living room, pre-wire for the fan light. You can put that and install that afterwards. You already have the wiring to do so. At the top of the stairs, you have the first full bathroom, tub shower combo. Now this is the loft area upstairs. I like this loft area because it provides a second living room almost. You have your laundry room. So even though it's 1,600 square feet, you still have 3 bedrooms, a loft area, and 2.5 baths with a laundry room. We're inside bedroom number 1, looking inside the walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2 is a similar size, similar layout with a walk-in closet as well. Now let's go through and look at the primary suite. See, it has the tray ceiling. I like the can lights around the corners of the tray, and it does have the pre-wire for a ceiling fan and light right in the middle, just like downstairs where I showed you. Now this is the owner suite bathroom. Again, it is a work in progress. It is not complete, it's not finished. I do like the color package. You have a tile shower with a little rest in there, footrest, with a tile shower basin. A lot of times when you're in this price point, you see a plastic shower pan. I don't like those. You should get, in my opinion, those little things like tile shower pan, shower basin. If you're spending almost $500,000 on a home. You do get a linen closet in here. One more look at the owner's suite. So if you're interested, reach out to me. I would love to help you. I am your real estate advisor, all things Carolinas. I have been doing this for over a decade, and you have access to all my resources. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.